Hello, and welcome to another update video about GALA. Yeah, looking at the daily chart first, maybe we should do that. Gives us a good understanding of where things could be going for GALA. Obviously, we have this 5-wave move to the downside into the October lows last year. That's not bullish. 5 waves down means the trend is down. Yeah, we have a short-term uptrend though since the October lows, but it's only a 3-wave corrective rally uptrend. You could say, I mean, is it really an uptrend? That's the thing. Is it really an uptrend? Not a clear one, because you can really only get back into an uptrend if you see higher highs and higher lows. Well, okay, you know, there's one higher low and one higher high, but we need another higher low and another higher high for a 5-wave move. Well, that didn't happen. So it could at best turn into a larger 3-wave move. That's my assumption. So after a 5-wave move down, we typically expect a corrective rally. That perspective hasn't changed, I think, in a year or so. I mean, since we bottomed here in 5 waves, the expectation was for a corrective rally, either in an ABC structure, which could have topped already back in March, and we're on our way to new bear market lows. That would be a very shallow wave 2 though. So wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 to the upside. I do definitely keep the door open for a larger wave 2 correction. So a larger wave 2 corrective rally. Wave 1 down and then A wave up, B wave down, C wave up. This is definitely what I would pay attention to, because there is a chance for another rally in this bull market. The first set is done. Yeah, if we can hold above the invalidation point, which is at 1.28 cents, I'd say. Yeah, down here, this is the October low. Another rally in wave C can be watched for. We can watch for it. But because it's only an ABC structure, to get some evidence that really that C wave is unfolding, we need a first 5-wave move up, which would be wave 1 of C. Bear in mind, the C wave is also a 5-wave movement. So the way this would look like, I'm just going to sketch it out for you, just to show you. Let's just take some of these fibs out so we can just draw that, give an understanding of how it should look like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And why should it look like this? Well, because we know if this plays out as an ABC structure, then the C wave would usually reach the 100% extension. Can go higher, but that's first milestone target, the 100% extension of the initial A wave to the upside. So we talk about 13.3 cents there as a possible target. 13.3 cents. And it would have to happen in 5 waves for a C wave to be valid. And this looks correct. You know, this looks good in terms of proportions. So what we first need as a first confirmation that we've bottomed is a 5-wave move. So far, we haven't got that 5-wave move yet. The price so far only topped in a 3-wave move. That doesn't mean it couldn't go up higher. It certainly can, which shows the importance of tracking the bigger picture as well. You know, start with bigger picture, work towards the smaller time frame. Because if we understand that this could be a C wave rally, we also know, and I just saw that I swapped waves 3 and 5 unintentionally. We know that each of these waves can be a 3-wave move, because C waves can be ending diagonals. And because the first rally was in 3 waves, this is definitely something to watch for. ABC, yeah? Could be we've bottomed, but we only see 3-wave rallies. I hope that makes sense. But it will be tough to confirm that we've bottomed, because if we're dealing with an ending diagonal, if we're dealing with a C wave, which is why it's more difficult to trade such structures, ABC structures, C waves can be diagonals. So this could just be the A wave. This could now be a B wave pullback. Maybe we bottomed already and now we could rally in wave C of 1. This would be a 5-wave move. But is this high confidence? No, because the initial rally is only in 3 waves. But again, that comes down to, okay, do I really want to get involved with a chart that looks like that? That doesn't give me that confidence, that edge. It's a bit difficult. So for now, I'd say we can sort of focus on this structure. Invalidation point here for the micro is at 1.9 cents. That's the 5th of July low. And below that level, the 1.588 cent level is next support. So we have to wait basically for the price to give us the next rally. And a break above 2.67 cents, the last swing high, should send us higher in wave C of 1. To give you an idea, I mean, we have the descending trend line here that can offer next resistance, and could also be an ideal target for wave C of 1 here. So that's what we're watching for. But yeah, the overall support zone here is where ideally that rally to the upside would start. I don't have any confidence yet in this rally, but definitely something I'm tracking. But bear in mind, it will be tough to confirm that we've bottomed because of the three-wave nature that we've seen already in these microstructures. That's the update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.